2,000 miles in 18 hours. I got a double drive down southbound 35. I got the hammer down, Detroit made 525, pushing my ass right down that line. And that smell of burning diesel fuel just tells me that I'm back out on the road. I got a full-grown creeping up on my tail, and I won't make bail in this small-town jail. No, not round here. I got the bird dog on radio, cranked gear, jamming lane, changing son of a bitch, you betcha, son. And that smell of burning diesel fuel just tells me that I'm back out on the road. Left the J with a handful of pills, and I won't quit till I hit the coop in Abilene. Well, I'm almost there, there's just a few more miles. I'll make the drop and I'll turn and burn, I'm out of here. And that smell of burning diesel fuel just tells me that I'm back out on the road. Diesel fuel just tells me that I'm back out on the
road. It's the oldest one you've got, your 1920.
Yeah, according to BMCC, that's in England. 1 of 5 survived.
Okay.
Worth quite a lot of money. This is Wattle, this is a board racer, 1950.
This is the old cafe. The cafe races are based on this.
Yeah, yeah.
It's based on it.
Yeah. 1951 chap.
Yes.
Stop, no.
No, don't stop it. No more.
But they can.
Yeah.
Yes, how's this old Harley here?
Yeah, that.
But you're not selling any of them. You just keep them, isn't it, sir?
Yeah, now then I'll sell one. It depends how much money the guy's got.
The last time I saw you, you said you were busy buying some cars, collecting cars, also.
Yeah, I've got a couple of cars as well.
How's the Benelli up there?
left out of Corpus, and I'm headed into Nashville for the day. I left my mark on Music Row. Now we're back out on the road, more shows to play. I've worn the tires off this bus 10 times. I've carried contraband across state lines. I've played concert halls and holes in walls and places that a show just shouldn't be. And there's stadiums and late night shows on every major network on TV. And I've worn the tires off this bus 10 times. I've carried contraband across state lines. Well, I just left West Virginia. One more in Wabash and then I'm coming home. And I can take this guitar off my back and hang up these old boots because I'm done. And I've worn the tires off this bus 10 times. I've carried contraband across state lines. I've followed yellow lines till I can't see. I'll never know where this road's taking me.
That's his happy look.
I'm excited.
We made it to Loeriesfontein, and this is our digs. Each got our own little room there. $400 a night with a beautiful view. It's called Smurfy's Den. Smurfy's Den. This is the view around. This is the room. It's a bit dark. I don't know if it's load shedding or anything like that, but bedroom, bathroom, shower. Not too shabby. $400 a night. This was an old church, you know that? I can give you a haircut, Gilbert. I can pull your teeth and give you a haircut at the same time. It's a dentist chair and a barber.
Tents on the arm.
This is how these people camped in the old days, huh?
Oh, this is comfortable, man. Stand up, walk around.
I Oh, wat goed lag is dat.
Double bed.
Kijk, die mensen met zijn niet stoven gehad. Ons is maar het ou nie so uitvol. Natuurlijk doe je even, want dit is nie lewe net iets.
Kom klim in jou bakkie. Ons gaan hom nou 'n paar perde oplaai en dan gaan ons toe.
Ek kom met daai Harley.
As ek al timers het, dan doen ek.
Goodbye heartbreak, goodbye home, goodbye dive bar I used to go. I gotta get out of this goodbye town. Goodbye happy, hello regret. Hello, all the things I wished I said. I'm going down in this goodbye town. Where am I supposed to go now that you're gone? Girl, you took the roll right out of my stone. There ain't enough Tennessee whiskey round here to drown me out of this goodbye town. Hello highway, hello alone. Here I am 1,000 miles from home, wheels spinning round out of this goodbye town. Where am I supposed to go now that you're gone? Girl, you took the roll right out of my stone. There ain't enough Tennessee whiskey round here to drown me out of this goodbye town. Goodbye heartbreak, goodbye home, goodbye dive bar I used to go. I gotta get out of this goodbye town. Wheels spinning round out of this goodbye town.